Do you know about triangle of auscultation? This triangle is triangle of auscultation. Medially, it is bounded by lateral border of trapezius muscles. Laterally, it is bounded by medial border of scapula, and below it is bounded by latissimus dorsi muscles. What are the importance of this triangle? Apex of the lower lobe of the lung is present deep to this triangle, so auscultation of lung sound is done here.